Welcome to Homestead Albania Adventures. Walk with me while visiting the ancient acropolis of Butrint. Inhabited since prehistoric times, Butrint has been the site of a Greek colony, a Roman city, and a bishopric. Following a period of prosperity under Byzantine administration, then a brief occupation by the Venetians, the city was abandoned in the late Middle Ages after marshes formed in the area. Butrint, located south of the modern city of Saranda, Albania. It has a special atmosphere created by a combination of archaeology, monuments, and nature in the Mediterranean. With its hinterland, it constitutes an exceptional cultural landscape which has developed organically over many centuries. Butrint has escaped aggressive development of the type that has reduced the heritage value of most historic landscapes in the Mediterranean region. It constitutes a very rare combination of archaeology and nature. The property is a microcosm of Mediterranean history, with occupation dating from 50,000 BC at its earliest evidence up to the 19th century AD. Prehistoric sites have been identified within the nucleus of Butrint, the small hills surrounded by the waters of Lake Butrint and Vivari Channel, as well as in its wider territory. From 800 BC until the arrival of the Romans, Butrint was influenced by Greek culture, bearing elements of a polis and being settled by Chaonian tribes. In 44 BC, Butrint became a Roman colony and expanded considerably on reclaimed marshland, primarily to the south, across the Vivari Channel, where an aqueduct was built. In the 5th century AD, Butrint became an episcopal center. It was fortified and substantial early Christian structures were built. After a period of abandonment, Butrint was reconstructed under Byzantine control in the 9th century. Butrint and its territory came under Angevin and then Venetian control in the 14th century. Several attacks by despots of Epirus and then later by Ottomans led to the strengthening and extension of the defensive works of Butrint. At the beginning of the 19th century, a new fortress was added to the defensive system of Butrint at the mouth of the Vivari Channel. It was built by Ali Pasha, an Albanian Ottoman ruler who controlled Butrint and the area until its final abandonment. The fortifications bear testimony to the different stages of their construction from the time of the Greek colony until the Middle Ages.